Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a wee unboxing, a wee quick review of what it claims to be high definition digital panel. It's a car rear view LCD monitor. This is the cheapest monitor on Amazon with free shipping. It was $12.99, I'll leave a link in the description. So we'll open up, we'll have a wee look. So first off the bat, I have a power lead which has already started to burn ends, so you would connect that into your car, your van, your boat, your whatever end that you want to reverse with a camera. So that's your power lead. I would advise you put this through a fuse, don't just go wiring this straight into a battery. I would fuse this before you put it in. So second, let's open this up. Now the actual camera, the actual monitor itself. We have a welcome guide. Tells you everything that it does, whether it's compatible with, sizes. The screen size is 3.5 inches. It's a TV system to power consumption 6 watts, colour black. It's a 12 and 24 volt supply, so you can use this in your truck if it's a 24 volt battery or 12 volt battery. On the other side of the sheet has a wiring diagram and instructions in use. So we'll get the instructions that we read through first before you went any further. The wiring diagram's pretty straightforward. You just follow that. It's got a wee extra note at the bottom, but you can read that yourself. So on the actual monitor itself, it's quite compact, quite thin. I think this is a removable, it's a removable sun visor. Just stick that back in. So first impressions, it seems alright. I suppose you don't really want it too flash, so you're going to lay this in. We don't want it to get broken in here. So on the back we've got 3 buttons and the stand itself. The stand's got a nice sticky pad on it. It will move round, so you can stick it on your windscreen if you wanted as a rear view mirror. You could set it up as a rear view mirror, or you could just stick it in the dash the way it's supposed to be. Now this is the way it will sit. It'll glue onto your dash and it will always be in this dark off position even when it is powered on. So the leads you get connected to it as a power lead, and that's what that will come off of. So that's your power lead into that. You would connect that live and negative on your battery. Then have a yellow and a white lead. The yellow lead is an auxiliary, like sort of DVD player, sat nav, anything else you wanted to watch through it. You can maybe connect your telly up, watch normal television through it. The white is your reverse camera. Now, once you connect up your camera and connect this on, when you put it into reverse, it will send a signal back through this that will actually turn your screen on. So your screen's not always on, it only comes on in reverse, or if you've got it powered differently through the yellow lead. So I'll do a wee video of me installing it, but for now this is just a wee quick unboxing video. So like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.